That's for from your turret left, expected turn by signal. Jet 47 turn left to lap mode, establish local as runway turret left. Level lap mode, clear to establish, 2 Aer Lingus and Ryanair 47. Jet 47, descend altitude 5,000 feet. Jet 5,000 and Ryanair 47. Okay, sorry, just made a step ready again, Jet 47. Descend altitude 5,000 feet, QNH 1015. 5,000 feet, 1015 in ahead 47. Approach Canada 8142, fully established, down to left. Canada 8142, speed 160 knots, clear down as full from the turret left. Speed 160, clear down at straight left, 8142. 40 mile arrival, line 6 on vehicle. Kilo contact local 135, that's 1655 on 1655, and 10 kilo, boy. 5 Elvis, Sherman 585 with you, 162 for 130, we're on the bullet 40 man. Sherman 585, can you bullet 40 man arrival, descend, flight level 100. Platform established local as runway turret left. Platform local as descend 180 now, running it on the unit from 10 altitude 5,000 feet on QNH 1015. 5,000 feet, QNH 1015, running it now, I'm going to check your operation now, and just after our go, we're less than flight past Jimmy, that zone entry, back to the west end of the station, over. That was your understood, position 1015, squawk 0423. Squawk 0423, QNH 1015, thank you, I'm going to check your Kilo Mike, contact clearance delivery 122, decimal 985.
4199, wind 270 degrees 10, max 17, minimum 8 knots, runway 28 right, cleared for takeoff, goodbye.
Cleared for takeoff, 38 right, bye-bye, man, Lima Juliet 41999.
Goodbye.
You should sit up here. Bad 37 Romeo, Quebec, identified, climb flight level 120, unrestricted. Consider level 120, 1060, and I'm 37 Romeo, Quebec. Right, 37 Romeo, Quebec, turn right direct to FX. Alright, thank you very left against the lateral, straight line left to runway 2 left, and 1 to the next right. 3 Hotel Charlie, maintain present speed till max 7 165 knots to 4 DB.